Welcome to the best picks. The best waterproof case is probably one of the most essential accessories for your Osmo Pocket if you're an adventure seeker. This tiny camera is fantastic for capturing smooth footage, but it's not exactly designed to handle the elements. So, if you're planning on taking your Osmo Pocket underwater, to the beach, or even just near water, a waterproof case is an absolute must-have to protect your investment and keep your footage flowing smoothly. Number 5. TELESIN GoPro Case. This case is designed to keep your action camera and accessories safe and organized during travel. It's perfect for protecting your investment and keeping everything together. The case is made from high-quality materials to withstand bumps and drops. Your valuable equipment will be well protected inside. It features customizable compartments to fit various action cameras and accessories. You can easily organize your gear to your liking. Take it with you anywhere. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel, ensuring your equipment is always ready for your next adventure. It's compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, Insta360, and DJI. This means it's a versatile solution for many users. No more searching for lost accessories. It keeps everything neatly organized in one place, ready for immediate use. What we like. This carry case is a versatile solution, accommodating various action cameras and accessories. It offers organized storage, keeping everything in place. If you have multiple devices and accessories, and need a reliable way to transport them, you should consider this. What people say. The sides are sturdy and padded. The movable partitions made customizing simple. Created padded spaces for waterproof housing, a floating handle with remote controls, a GoPro 11 camera and other accessories. Perfect size to store cameras and the accessories. I keep my Insta360, DJI Action 5 Pro, and GoPro Hero inside, plus there's still room for the battery cases and extra mounts. Not a hard shell case since it is slightly flexible, but still strong enough to protect all of your gear. After some careful research, decided to get this case for my GoPro, its media mod, batteries etc. as one, it can expand as I fill it up as needed. I like some designs that have foam inserts, but this one with its Velcro-based dividers is good, and the pouches in the upper lid are great for holding small items like the USB cords and chargers. This helps keep things in some semblance of an order. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2 Waterproof Case. Capture stunning underwater footage with the DJI Pocket 2 Waterproof Case. It's waterproof up to 60 meters, protecting your camera while delivering crystal clear images and videos. Say goodbye to glare and distortion. This case lets you shoot high-quality underwater images and videos, free from unwanted artifacts. The internal clamp keeps your gimbal securely in place, ensuring smooth and stable footage even underwater. It features a convenient shutter record button and 2 mounting brackets for versatile shooting options. It's designed to make underwater filming easier and more enjoyable. With its 2 mounting brackets, it easily adapts to various shooting scenarios. Unlock a whole new world of underwater filmmaking possibilities. It's perfectly compatible with both the DJI Pocket 2 and the Osmo Pocket. Enjoy seamless integration and effortless underwater adventures. What we like. This case allows you to capture stunning, high-quality images underwater, free from glare and distortion. The internal clamp ensures your gimbal stays secure. If you are looking for a case that excels in underwater photography, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great. The Pocket 2 requires you to enable the underwater housing option, and then enter underwater mode. Once in the proper mode, the camera works correctly with the housing, and you shouldn't see the housing in your videos. It's a bit of a snug fit, but that wasn't much of an issue for me. Any underwater housing can flood if the O-ring is not clean and properly sealed. With proper care, this housing works great. I took it scuba diving down to about 55 feet without any issue and with excellent quality. The case ensures a clear and more important watertight sealing to protect my DJI product when I am scuba diving. Pocket 2 fits nice and this product works great. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2 Waterproof Case. Take your DJI Pocket 2 adventures to new depths. This case provides superior protection and lets you capture stunning underwater footage. It's designed to withstand the pressure of up to 60 meters underwater. Capture incredible underwater shots with confidence. The case's transparent design ensures crystal clear image and video quality, even underwater. You won't miss a moment. It's simple to install and use, allowing you to focus on capturing amazing moments. Just attach it and start filming. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. It's your reliable partner for underwater adventures. Compatible with both DJI Pocket 2 and Osmo Pocket 2. Expand your creative possibilities. What we like. This waterproof case is designed for deep water adventures, offering reliable protection. It features easy-to-access buttons for convenient operation. If you like exploring underwater environments and need a dependable case, this is a great choice. What people say. Rapida entrega y excellent calidad. Producto DJI Original. It did its job, but the part that fried my bacon was having to preset the camera before inserting it into the waterproof case. You must lock your camera. Es un producto salido y de muy buena calidad. Number 2. Hilitand DJI Osmo Pocket 60mm housing. Capture stunning underwater footage with this protective case. It's designed specifically for your Osmo Pocket and allows you to dive up to 60 meters deep. Go deeper than ever before with this case. It's built to withstand the pressure at depths of up to 60 meters, ensuring your camera stays safe and dry. This unique dome design is better than traditional cases. It helps to distribute underwater pressure and protect your camera from damage. It features an oversized sealing ring and stainless steel screws for a secure and watertight seal. Your camera will be well protected. Made from high translucent acrylic, it ensures your underwater shots are clear and vibrant. Enjoy stunning video and photos. It's perfect for various water sports like surfing, diving, and swimming. The stainless steel buttons and silicone cover add extra protection against scratches and bumps. What we like. The unique dome design enhances underwater pressure distribution, protecting your camera. Its high transparency ensures clear shots. If you are looking for a case with innovative design and superior underwater performance, choose this one. What people say. What I love about this case is that we were able to use our DJI Osmo Pocket while snorkeling. I like the idea of being able to use our new camera instead of our GoPro, which we've snorkeled with in the past, and the bubble design of this made it possible for the camera to still do its full rotation and tracking. This casing definitely keeps your camera safe in water and works well for that purpose. Was a fit for Pocket 3. Didn't show that in description. Number 1. Smatree DJI Osmo Pocket 2 case. This case is specially designed for your DJI Osmo Pocket 2 and its accessories. It provides superior protection during travel or storage. It's made from a high-density, waterproof, and anti-scratch material. The thicker shell ensures your device stays safe from bumps and scratches. Take it anywhere. It features a built-in carry handle and carabiner for easy transport. This travel bag keeps everything secure. It comfortably holds your Osmo Pocket 2, charging case, and other accessories. The zippered mesh pocket provides extra space for cables and small items. It can hold your Osmo Pocket 2, charging case, wireless module, controller wheel, accessory mount, audio adapter, and even extra SD cards. Its exterior dimensions are 25 cm x 18 cm x 8 cm, or 9.8 inches x 7 inches x 3.1 inches. Perfect for travel and home storage. What we like. This case provides ample space for your Osmo Pocket 2 and its accessories. It features a robust shell for enhanced protection. If you like to keep your gear organized and protected while traveling, this case is perfect for you. What people say. It's roomy, sturdy, and fits my DJI Pocket 2 and accessories perfectly. Fit and finish are on point with a case that should cost more. High-quality foam that is sturdy and should do a great job of keeping the Osmo Pocket safe. Outside of the case is plenty sturdy for a soft-sided case. Great zipper, and the pull tab for the zipper is high-quality rubberish feeling. The strap also has the same rubber feeling coating. Nice tough to add the carabiner as well. Also a small thing, but they threw in a cleaning cloth in the case as well as a chart showing what goes where in the case. This is a nice little case that holds everything minus the extension rod and underwater case. When it arrived, I was very pleased to see that it is a sturdy case, with nice foam cores. It holds the Wi-Fi module, accessory module, controller wheel module, Osmo battery case, and has room for a tripod, phone Osmo holder, cords, cards, etc., etc. Everything I need for my Osmo Pocket is inside this case, and well protected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.